Hey everybody. So I've got my Honda CB500X and I've got the Outback rear rack on it, right? And I broke two of them right here. And this back tail piece breaks off. So this is, you can see, well, it breaks here, and I've scavenged these two pieces off of the old one. And as you can see, I've ground this out here, not this one yet. And what I'm going to do is this will fit in here like that, and then I'm going to tack weld that on there. So I'm going to put this gusset in. So okay, so that's the piece I'm going to use. So I just have to do a few modifications on it. This piece has got to bend that way so it fits on the back. So I'm going to see how this little heater goes. I'm burning myself. Okay. I'm not going to touch that. You can see the little, I don't know if you can see it, this little bend on the end versus like that. Okay, and you can see here's the piece, and it's lined up with this. So what I got to do, I just got that. Just used the longer bolt, right? Trimmed it so it fits in there. Now I got to paint it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to weld this piece on here, and we'll be good to go. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece off and I'm going to weld this piece, not here, but back in here, something like that. And then I'm going to push this up so it's up higher and bolt that on, and that way I can remove it if I need to. Yeah. Okay, so we've got all the little brackets made. I just gotta weld that on now. I'll make the other side up, and then we'll hopefully this tail piece, and I don't overload it. I actually load it up. The first time it broke, it was loaded to the spec of the, I think it was 15 pounds. Second time it broke, I had hardly anything in it, and I think it's just, it vibrates too much, and it's a weak point right here. So I'm hoping this little gusset will solve that problem. The Outback's been great. They've warranted both of them, but I don't imagine they're going to continue to do that too long. So we'll see how this works. Okay, just welding these two little brackets on for the gusset, so you can see.